To set up a YouTube Kids account on your mobile phone is fairly simple. Start by opening up YouTube Kids, and then you will be forced to now continue setting it up in portrait mode. So just switch to portrait. From here, go ahead and select Get Started, and then just tap on the arrow button to move on to the next step. Choose your account that you wish to set up with. So any account that's currently on your device, go ahead and select it, and then tap on Sign In. From here, you want to read through the parental consent. So this is the privacy information needed for parents to read through. When you scroll all the way down, you will be prompted to enter in your Google account password to confirm. And then just tap on Confirm. And then from here, you now need to create your child's profile. This includes giving your child a name, typing in their age. Again, depending on the age that you choose, there will be access to different types of videos online. So go ahead and just give them the appropriate age and then tap on OK. Select your birth month and then tap on the next button. From here, you can see it's automatically selected for you the age group that they should be watching in, but you can tap on approve content yourself, and then you can choose what kind of content as you filter out what you want them to specifically be able to watch. Then tap on start. Now you'll have successfully been brought to this page that allows you to choose what kind of content. So you can go ahead and select different channels and ideas for them to be watching through. Then once you've done that, that is all they can be allowed to watch. And now all you need to do is simply tap on this icon here and then select done. Next, as you can see, the profile has been created. You can choose to create another profile, or you can just tap on the next button to move on to the next step. Then from here, you can get a tour of where specific items are whenever it comes to your YouTube Kids. Then once you've done all of that, just move on to the next step. Then go ahead and select your profile for your kid, and they can now start using YouTube Kids on your mobile phone. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.